Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and that was my pan of leftover colors from the whole 4 paintings I just did. And I am going to probably use them on that 14 by 14 inch canvas that I have added paint to the edges. I'm going to do half black, half white, maybe. We'll see. Okay, we won't see, we'll just know. Oh, I left my top off. Well, that was nice. Oh well. This is my last painting of the day. There's a little bit of water from my spatula that's just getting cleaned. I don't think it's going to hurt. I put a little bit of water in the Meeden paint, which is what this base layer is anyway. It's very black, even with a little water. It's on my Amazon link, should you be interested in purchasing any. I have the black and the white. There are colors. I have not tried them. Other people gave me good reports and said that they were good. Yeah, let's be redundant. I'm sorry. I'm going to scrape that off and that off. Wipe it off of my rag, which is not wet enough. Throw that in the bucket and grab a clean one. I like these spatulas because they pick up a blade of paint, which means I can move it wherever I want. And that paint is already starting to dry on the edge. But I don't think it matters because it's going to be an interesting proposition no matter what. I might use some Amsterdam black. Yeah, I can't help it. It's like I'm watching Emily Dickinson on TV and she can't help it. She makes poetry all the time. Everything is potentially art. Everything I see around me is potentially art too. Alright, that's getting scraped off and going in the bucket. I do have a little swipe card someplace. Yes, I do. I am going to use my little hair tool. You know what? I'm going to put some Hot Orchid from Color Art in there. If it comes down to it, I may swipe. And if it doesn't, I may not. I kind of want some orange. I've been craving orange all day and I haven't given it to myself a bunch of times, so I'm feeling deprived. But I'm liking the simplicity of just using the colors. I don't want to necessarily flip my tool over. I like dropping the residuals straight off. I might be done in a flash. There's a little bit of glop in the bottom because it's been all day. If I want to add something, now's the time. I could definitely blow something out, but I might just leave it. You know, I probably won't. That's my thing. So let's take advantage of what's in my hand and just play. Looks like buds. I could put a bloom on this too, easily enough. Kind of want to take a tool, which in this case is just the paintballed end of a very well used skewer. It's nice when they don't have those little bamboo strings on the end of them though. So I have to figure out what other color I want in there. And I'm being called to a color that won't come out. It will. There it is. I'm going to use a little bit of my Amsterdam black and see what happens. Use a little more of the Amsterdam black. It's got some gold in it too. See what happens. I usually use this over a bunch of colors, not just one. Usually blow on things. Ooh, I like the dendrites. I think we'll just keep doing that. Let it do some more of its work. That's getting to be something as opposed to just leftovers. Well, I am getting some cells until I eradicated them. But I'll probably get some more anyway. Wipe off my silicone hair. It's a hair tool. Yes, I knew those would sell. Sometimes simple works. Let me find a straw. I think I want to do something. Just blow it out a little bit. I keep looking at it the same way that I like it. Ooh, it works that way too. Cool. There is a literal hair. There's a reason I wear a kerchief on my head because I shed. Just like my dogs. And I don't want hair in my art. Okay, so I have a paint stick. I got a voyeur. I got a squirrel outside my window that's there every day when I'm painting. Come on. Oops. I'm going to pick up the one I lost. And I'm not as sure I like that as I thought I was going to like it. I'm thinking I'm done. I've got a little bud here and a little bud there, a little bud everywhere, but I'm thinking maybe if I really want to give the impression of flowers or buds, it'd be nice if these were open. It really would. It wasn't very long ago they were totally open. You will open for me now, please. I guess you will not, unless I open you. I kind of want to put some of the Anita's white metallic that's pale pink because I put some pink into it. This is a green gold from Folk Art. I just want little bits of things. I'm not sure what else, if anything else I actually want. Yeah, that didn't hurt my feelings any. And neither did that. I kind of want some turquoise. I may regret this. I see cells, but not many. Let's see how I feel about it once I get it on there. Pretty much eradicated that immediately. That's the amethyst. The first one is the Folk Art Neon Purple with iridescent pearl fine in it. I'm not sure what the deal is with that big white area, but I kind of like it just like it is. And I don't mind it this way either. Just a little dispersal. As opposed to the white the pink I was thinking about adding. That I could still add. If it decides not to come out too quickly, that would be good. That was risky. Maybe a little more. And last but not least, if there is a last but not least, I'm not sure about that, right there. Yeah, I like that better. What was I thinking? I was thinking the green. Might be kind of interesting. And I have hidden the green gold. There it is. Okay, so I'm just about done. How many times have I said that now? And I am recording in case there's anyone outside my door who is calling the animals loudly. It's doggy dinner time, so. We have an MIA pup. He's just not that interested in eating, but he looks fabulous, so it's not a problem. I'm going to throw a little bit more green right there. Or a lot more right there. And it's so tempting. So very tempting to put a bloom in there. Even if it was just a leaf. Let's see if I've got enough black paint. How small can I go? probably that will work, but you won't see it. Now it looks like a bud with thorns on it, so that's kind of cool. Okay, I'm done. That might be the most boring video I ever did or not. I guess it depends on if you're a first timer or a fan or not. So, I don't know what I did, but I'm going to swirl that around because it's bugging me. I'm going to steal a little paint from over here. There we go. Whew, that one got me all weird. Well, if I want to do something to it tomorrow, it's a good first start. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out some of my 2000 videos on all playlists, creative playlists. I do sell my artwork. My email address is below the link tree, which is the first blue link under the video. I can zoom in for that a little bit. It's kind of bizarre. It's what happens when I do leftovers. Please like and share and watch longer, and thank you for the thumbs up. If you watch commercials, it helps me out. If you shop my Amazon link, it helps me out at no added cost to you. My 2 books are there and all kinds of tools, including my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Thank you for the comments. They keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations through PayPal or Patreon. They keep me painting. Thank you for keeping me painting all this time. If you want to be included in the monthly drawing, there are paintings up for grabs that you can see on the exhibition video that's included on the end screens of every video in the last 20 seconds. And they're right at the beginning. I held the drawing on the 1st of the month now. I changed it recently. It used to be the last of the month. Now it's the 1st of the month. On my link tree, I have Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors for the albums that have artworks in them. And if you use the hashtag and the file number from the title, you can contact me in regard to making a purchase, and you will find the email to contact me with right underneath the link tree, under Show More underneath the video, along with my paint pouring recipe. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me. I'm happy to help you out, and if you need a link, let me know. And I think that pretty much covers everything except for the Teespring clothing under the video is Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts, and Fine Art America at pixels.com and the Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More will all take you to a Shop Now button, Fine Art America pixels.com. If you want to see anything that I produced added to the collections there, just ask. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, whew, glad that's over. And this is me out for the night. I'll see you anon. About time too. Bye. Love you. All of you. Take care of each other. Bye. I said that twice.